Unforgettable phrases. Understanding, to embed a memory. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, to embed a memory. This expression is not just about remembering something. It's about how certain experiences can become a deep and lasting part of us. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. To embed a memory might sound technical, but it's quite simple when broken down. Embed is a verb that means to fix something firmly and deeply in a surrounding mass. Think of it like planting a seed deep in the soil. When we talk about embedding a memory, we are referring to an experience that has become deeply ingrained in our minds, almost as if it's a part of us. This phrase is often used in emotional or significant contexts. For example, if you had a life-changing journey, you might say, "That trip really embedded a memory in me." It's not just about recalling the trip. It's about how the trip continues to influence and shape your thoughts and feelings. Let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. 1. The day I met my best friend, it embedded a memory that I cherish forever. 2. Hearing that song always embeds a memory of my childhood summers. 3. The lessons learned during those hard times have embedded memories that guide my decisions today. Understanding similar phrases can help you expand your vocabulary. Phrases like, leave an impression, engrave in one's mind, or eternally memorable, carry similar meanings. Each of these expressions highlights how experiences can leave a lasting mark on our memory and emotions. To embed a memory is a beautiful and powerful phrase that captures how certain experiences become a part of who we are. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing our deepest experiences and emotions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.